Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here, with a severe weather update for the Day 1 Outlook. We have 3 marginals today, one covering South Central Oregon and North Central California. A second marginal today covers southeastern Arizona and southwestern New Mexico. And we have a third marginal that is very broad, the broadest. Okay? This marginal encompasses northern Texas, most of Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, most of Arkansas, northwestern Mississippi, western Tennessee, most of Missouri, southeastern Iowa, most of Illinois, much of Michigan, most of Kentucky, all of Indiana, all of Ohio, most of West Virginia, Northern Virginia, Washington, D.C., most of Maryland, most of Delaware, most of Pennsylvania, including my area, the western half of New Jersey, and southwestern New York State. Cities in today's marginals include Chicago, Illinois, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, and Columbus, Ohio. Going to the tornado threat for today, there is no tornado threat for today. There is no tornado threat, so that's good news. Going to the wind threat for today, there are 3 areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, one covering South Central Oregon and North Central California. A second one encompasses southeastern Arizona and southwestern New Mexico, and the third 5% is the biggest of them all, and that encompasses northern Texas, most of Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, most of Arkansas, northwestern Mississippi, western Tennessee, most of Missouri, southeastern Iowa, most of Illinois, much of Michigan, most of Kentucky, all of Indiana, all of Ohio, most of West Virginia, Northern Virginia, Washington, D.C., most of Maryland, most of Delaware, parts of New Jersey, most of Pennsylvania, including my area, and southwestern New York State. Cities in the 5% wind risk areas today include Chicago, Illinois, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, and Columbus, Ohio. And going to today's hail threat, there is a 15% chance, not 15, there's a 5%, not 15, sorry, I don't know how that got in my head. Anyway, 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today encompasses north central Texas, parts of Oklahoma, far northwestern Arkansas, far southwestern Missouri, and far southeastern Kansas. Cities in the 5% hail risk area today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Norman, Oklahoma, Lawton, Oklahoma, and Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. So, in summary, isolated severe thunderstorms are possible across portions of the southern plains into the Midwest and the Mid-Atlantic, and in parts of the desert Southwest and also in adjacent parts of southern Oregon and northern California today. So, that's the Day 1 Outlook for today. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, despite this being a marginal, because you never know what marginals can bring sometimes. Sometimes they can produce some pretty strong storms, and sometimes, again, you don't know how they can turn out sometimes. Case in point, June 5th, 2024, when on June 5th, 2024, the Delmarva had a marginal risk, and then got numerous tornadoes, and even some PDS tours. So, I am not saying that's definitely going to happen with this one, but there could still be some pretty strong storms. But again, sometimes you don't know what these marginals can produce sometimes. So, anyway, stay safe in the marginals today, and my Day 2 Outlook will come out this afternoon, where I'll be filling in for SPC Convective Outlooks. Take care.